Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 0, Zimbabwe 0. I'm joined by Ben Mabrani Kamabanu Pumagu.
Oh, ngulunga wamthembu kusukhona la
Ukala
Sibo. Number 1 Sibo.
Yes.
Sicela ukubongela ngomsebenzi owenzayo baba.
Asibonge futhi,
Umsebenzi owenzayo Sibo muhle kakhulu. Give me a chance.
Yeah.
Sithole 1 point.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Sazobuya ngomunye 3 point bafuna sehlisene umoya.
Okay, yeah.
Sehlisene umoya.
Yeah.
Kodwa umsebenzi wakho Sibo.